shot-by-shot analysis. It is disturbing as much as it is clinical. Experts talking about the bullets that killed Ryan Poston in his girlfriend Shayna Hubers' murder trial. The defense pushing one question as they try to prove that Hubers acted in self-defense. If Ryan was sitting down, how could he be shot in the back?
Tom McKee was in court today for all of the testimony. Tom?
Well, Ryan Poston was shot 6 times, twice in the head, twice in the chest, one to the side, and there was a bullet wound to his back. Now, to Shayna Hubers' attorneys, that back wound means their claim of self-defense is golden. But the prosecutors say all it means is murder. Shayna Hubers was expressionless. Ryan Poston's stepfather and mother held on to one another. It was the testimony of forensic pathologist Dr. George Nichols about Ryan's injuries that put them in that state.
The head wounds would be rapidly incapacitating, not necessarily immediately loss of consciousness, but rapidly incapacitating. That would not necessarily prevent some type of motion.
Poston died from 6 gunshot wounds, and there was a lot of blood on a table in his condominium and on the floor. Again, Dr. Nichols.
As the blood vessels are injured, they will leak rapidly into the breathing spaces. The blood will then get into the breathing tubes, which will eventually be breathed out.
Even though Poston's body was found on the floor, could he have been sitting in a chair when shot?
It would be pretty impossible for him to be seated in a chair with a gunshot wound in his back if the chair has back to it.
All right, that's to that one, yes, thank you.
Other than that, he could be in any position.
But Campbell County Commonwealth Attorney Michelle Snodgrass says yes, and during cross-examination demonstrated her point of how the back wound happened.
If, however, a person who was shot had then fallen forward, that would leave their back open, correct?
True.